So the base was like this. Then I cleaned it up and I cleaned the inside and I made it into this. And then I made the controller. This is the controller that I was talking about. This will go here. So then all the wires, or excuse me, this thing will mount it here. So the brains are down here. Everything that happens, not this is backwards. Sorry, don't matter. This will go like this. All the wiring would have to be made and go through here to then make it to here. So all these would go here. So then the question is, those two will go here that once that I already showed you. So if I make another heat sink here on the side and here, then I can just have all 4 drivers attached to the sides, which then leaves me all the inside to mess with all the HEPA cables. And then I still, on top of this, like I mentioned, I still want to add a screen to here. So I'm gonna make a lid like this, a lot thinner, with the screen. So then that's gonna have wiring too. So that's my conundrum at the moment.